Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. Today we have Cardano. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here on Cardano. Here on the 15-minute, we'll back up a little bit. If we can look here, if we can see these purple lines right here, this is Camarilla Pivot S3. This is Camarilla Pivot S4. So this area in between these two pivot points, this is an area of discount. So in an area of discount, I would be looking to buy in this area, and I would be looking for an S3 up here to an R3 traverse. And then I'll walk you through my top-down analysis. We'll start here on the weekly chart here. So here on Cardano, this is the current strong low. This is the current weak high right here. Actually, let's zoom back in on the 15-minute, and then we'll walk down. Okay, here we go. All right, here on the weekly, this is the current strong low down here. This is the current weak high. We can see that Cardano has been trading in a very large range here on the weekly chart, mostly selling off here since this weak high has been put in, bought back up and then selling back off. We can see there's a level that's been tested down here twice, and it may be the same level that is here or close to it, but it seems to be a level right here that Cardano hasn't been able to sell below. So it's not been able to test this strong low. There's been something else here that's been in the way of that in here, but showing weakness here on the weekly, but still within its own range here. Here on the 4-hour chart, this is the current strong low on Cardano. This is the current weak high. So overall showing that there's support for Cardano here on the weekly, but it's trading in the range. Same thing here for this range here for Cardano in the 4-hour. Still, let's say in an uptrend or showing strength, but selling off from that area. So still trading in the range. You can see here on the weekly, it's right in the middle of the range here. Here on the 4-hour, in the lower end of the range here currently. So for the way that I like to trade ranges, this would be in an let's say a better spot for me as far as in going long, taking a long near the low or bottom of the range and trying to run the extent of the range to the opposite end. So it's got my attention here on the 4-hour, as far as in going for a long position. Here on the 15-minute, I'll need to zoom out again. So here on the 15-minute, as I mentioned, in the range that is in here, in between the, back that up, in between the range here at S3 and S4, so a discounted area. In addition to that, if we come in, so these purple lines, this being the S3 level here, with this purple line. In addition to that, this yellow line here, that's right here below the S3 level, and this yellow line that is right here. This indicates the opening market structure of Cardano here for the London Open, which the London Open would have happened here in this candle here. here. This would be the start of the London Open today. So when this open happened, this was the opening strong low. This is the opening week high right here. So we can see here at the open, Cardano came up, or in the pre-market to the London Open. There's a test here of this level, a sell-off. Cardano finds support here at this level, comes up and tests this week high, fails, and then in the next candle breaks out here of this week high and closes above it, but still under the S3 level. So with this, we'll take this off, and here this is the current range. So this is the current strong low. This is the current week high up here. So this price action is the price action that drove the price out of the opening range and then formed what is called a break of structure. So this here is a break of structure here in this candle when this opening range was closed above. So now that this is a break of structure, I would be looking for a pullback to test this range, which this would be right here. But I want to test deep into the range. So right now I'm calling this a bullish order block, and that this price action is trading into this order block. I want to test deep into the order block, so I have my order set at 79% of this order block here to try to get an entry. You could get an entry as let's say here at the head of the order block. You can take an entry, but your stop would be wider. You can take an entry maybe near the 50% area of the order block, which could also be a stop area for the order block after it pulls back. But I like to set the order for my limit orders deep into the order block, just for a test of the level and to get the best risk to reward for the potential trade. So we can see right now that Cardano is trading in its range. So right now, this is what I have for the range of Cardano. And the way I have my order set is this week high here. I would anticipate a test of this strong low before a potential move or some buying that would break out of this range. So price action wise, what I am anticipating is we can see here a sell-off back to this area where support is found from the opening structural range here. And then that price action goes to this level here, which is basically from strong low to weak high. And now I would look for price action to come back to test this strong low. And if it holds, if support holds here as it did previously, then I would look for buying to come back in, and then for there to be another break of structure here, and then whatever price action that would happen in this area, the new candle or any candles after would be the new strong low, and then whatever price action that sets up here would be the new strong high, putting in a new range. So this is the price action that I'm looking for this morning on Cardano here at the London Open. And then we'll come in and have a look at my ticket in case the order does get filled here. So here for the amount, it'll be 3,100 for the amount. Limit price is 0.7893. Stop loss 0.7874. and that would be that's based on the low that's right here, which would be the strong low. This price, I believe the spread is somewhere between 9 and 11 cents, depending on the price action at that time. So I set my stop 12 cents below this strong low here to compensate for that minimum step here, and then projected loss around let's call it 575, and projected profit we're looking at 153 and change here. So I believe this is somewhere around about a 30 to 1 reward to risk ratio if this trade gets put on, or if my limit gets hit and the trade goes to target. So this is overall what I'm looking at this morning with Cardano, and this is on Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis. And